Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are celebrating Chinese New Year with something fun and attractive. I have 10 fortune cookie messages for you in English and we are going to translate them into Russian together. Before we start, think of a number from 1 to 10 and find out your fortune for the new year. Ready? Let's begin. If you picked number 1, this is your fortune. A pleasant surprise is waiting for you. Вас ждет приятный сюрприз. If you picked number 2, you will achieve your goal soon. Вы скоро достигнете своей цели. For those who picked number 3, trust your intuition. Доверься интуиции. Number 4. Someone will bring you good news. Кто-то принесет вам хорошие новости. Number 5. You will make an important decision. Вы примете важное решение. Number 6. Your hard work will be rewarded. Ваш труд будет вознагражден. Number 7. A joyful event is on the horizon. На горизонте радостное событие. Number 8. Your idea will spark success. Твоя идея принесет успех. Number 9. Your patience will pay off. Твое терпение окупится. And finally, if you picked number 10, your kindness will return to you. Ваша доброта вернется к вам. Tell me in the comments below what number did you pick and do you think your fortune fits to you? If you enjoyed this interactive format, give the video a like and subscribe for more fun Russian lessons. Happy Chinese New Year!